Hello everyone, my name is Jessica with Crypto Noobs, and today I will show you how to buy Polkaswap and use it to earn passive income. So the first thing that you want to do is to download the Polkadot.js extension, and I will leave the link for the extension below where you can find it. I already have it installed, so as you can see here, and something else that you will need is MetaMask as well, and I already have that installed as well. And I do actually have a video of how to set up MetaMask. In this video, however, I will show you how to set up your Polkadot.js extension wallet, and we will do that right now. So I'm going to click here, and we'll have this pop up, and I'll click on this button to add an account. And this is just a test account. I will not be using it. I will just create this account and then forget about it. So I am given a mnemonic seed phrase, and you will be given one as well. So I would suggest that you write it down somewhere offline. This is how you're going to be able to recover your wallet anywhere else, on another browser, on another device, whatever it may be. And if anyone has access to this mnemonic seed, then they will be able to do the same as well. So definitely be very careful about where you store it. Definitely suggest not doing it on any digital devices that are prone to be hacked. And also, it would be a good idea to put it in multiple locations in case you lose one. Okay, so after you have written it down, click on I have saved my mnemonic seed safely, and click next, and then leave it on this network that says allow use on any chain, and then put a descriptive name for your account. So I'm just going to put wallet, and I'm going to put a password. You can choose anything, and this password is going to be unique to this browser. If you recover the wallet elsewhere, you will be asked to provide a new password for the account, and this will be used for signing different transactions that you make using this wallet. Okay, so after you're done, click on add, and here you will have the wallet. And make sure that you also have your MetaMask set up as well. This is where you will be buying some ERC20 tokens to be transferred over to Polkaswap. And here, after you do that, you will need to bridge it over to the SORA network where Polkaswap is actually on. And I will show you how to do that. But first, I'm going to switch to my real account, and I will see you in a bit. Alright, so now I'm back with my real wallet, and I'm going to be purchasing some Ethereum, and I'm going to be using Wire. And what I would recommend is that you get enough to purchase one whole XOR token, and the equivalent value of that in PSWAP. I already have some XOR and PSWAP in a liquidity pool, so I will just be adding to make one whole XOR. I recently learned that if you have one whole XOR, then your rewards are doubled in the liquidity pool. But even if you don't have one whole XOR, you can still receive rewards. It just won't be as much as if you had one XOR. So keep that in mind. Make sure that you pay attention to the transaction and network fees. At the moment, the Ethereum gas fees are pretty low, so I thought this would be a good moment to get some Ethereum. And the Ethereum price is decent as well. Don't think it will be fluctuating too much. Okay, so I'm going to enter my payment information. I will be right back. Alright, so I entered all my information and finished all the steps, and I have received my Ether. And okay, so now I'm going to look at MetaMask just to make sure that I have all the funds. I think I may need to restart, or maybe I just need to wait a little bit until I receive the funds. I'm going to check Etherscan. and it looks like it's pending. Okay, so I'm just going to wait until it is done. Okay, so now the transaction is over and I received my funds, and I'm going to now bridge the Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet to the SORA mainnet. I'm going to put ETH and make sure that it says from Ethereum to SORA mainnet. I'm going to put max and then I'm going to click on next. There is a small Ethereum fee, so just be mindful of that. Make sure you check the gas fees before you make this transaction. And now we wait. So first it's going to perform the Ethereum mainnet transaction, and then it's going to perform the SORA mainnet transaction. Sometimes there are issues. I did have to reset my my MetaMask wallet last time in order for the Ethereum mainnet transaction to go through. So you may have to do that. In this case, there is no issue, so now I just wait for the SORA mainnet transaction. Alright, so now the transaction is complete, and now I will click here on swap, and I'm going to swap some Ethereum to some XOR and also some PSWAP. So like I said, you do need to hold one XOR in order to earn double the reward, so I'm going to convert my Ethereum to get one whole XOR right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to convert my Ethereum to XOR, and I calculated, and to top off I would need about this amount of XOR. And I'm going to sign off screen. So now I'm going to convert the rest of my Ethereum to PSWAP. And sometimes the UI does take a while, so I think you just have to wait a little bit in order for the max symbol to show up. There we go. Okay, so then I click on swap. And then you have to sign the transaction. That's it. So I realized that I made a small mistake and I converted too much Ethereum into XOR, so I'm going to do one more swap. So I can convert about 0.3533 XOR into Polkaswap. So make sure that you do your math correctly so you don't have to pay any extra fees like I am right now. And then I'm going to click on swap and confirm. And then I'm going to sign the transaction once again. And there we go. And now I'm able to top it off and have at least one XOR in the pool. And now I will show you how to create a pair in order to add liquidity to the pool. So here you will click pair, and then you can pick XOR and another token. You can choose PSWAP. And since I already have a token pair created, I get this message, but if you've never done this before, then you should be able to have something else here that will allow you to create the pair. So I'm going to go back, and what I'm going to do is add to the liquidity, this is where you'll be able to see your pair, and then I will show you how to check and withdraw the rewards that you earned by putting pair in the liquidity pool. So the first thing that you're going to do is go on the Polkadot.js page and then click on apps. And once you're here, make sure that you're in the SORA network. And then if you're not, then click on SORA and then click on switch. Then you can go to developer, RPC calls, and then click on author, and then scroll down and click on PSWAP distribution, and then click on submit RPC call. And here you will see how much you have earned so far. And do not be fooled, even though it says XOR, this is actually the PSWAP amount that you have earned, because when you put any liquidity in the pool, you always earn PSWAP tokens. So even though it says XOR, it's in reality a PSWAP token amount. And then if you want to claim your rewards, go to developer and click on extrinsics, then click here where it says system, and then click on PSWAP distribution, and then click on submit transaction. And then here you will be able to get your PSWAP rewards. But make sure that you don't do this too often, because there is a fee for withdrawing every time. It's about 875 micro XOR, so that's thousands of regular XOR. So if you don't have a lot of PSWAP, then this may not be the best to do too often. So something to keep in mind, and if you do want to withdraw, just click on sign and submit. I will not be doing that today. I just wanted to show you, and that's it. And that is how you buy both PSWAP and XOR and add it to the liquidity pool in order to earn rewards passively. I hope you found this video informative, and if you have, please leave a like and subscribe to be notified when I upload another video, and hit the bell button to get a notification for when I do so. And that is it. Take care. Have a good one.